Oh my god. So I was too nervous to vlog earlier, but we are about to do the Nevis swing, and I'm currently walking on the bridge and it's moving. Oh my god. But yeah, I am slightly pooping myself. But yeah.
Leave her alone. You can do it. I believe in you. Anything in your pockets?
You got a phone?
Is your GoPro going? Yeah? Sweet. Alright, is your GoPro going? Yeah?
Yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. It's terrifying.
How you doing?
I'm okay now.
There she goes, Dayna.
It's terrifying. No. Would not do it again. Did you have fun? Don't know yet. I'll tell you later.
Well done.
We are back from the swing now. That was insane. It was bloody terrifying, and I probably will never do it again, but hey, I've done it once. That's all I need to do. We have come to the tattoo studio now because Joel is about to get his tattoo done. What's that?
Raining.
No way.
I don't feel it on me yet.
Apparently it's raining.
Oh no, it's raining.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, this is a really attractive angle, but we come to the spa because it's our last night and we wanted to relax a bit.
Oh,
Now it's raining. But because we both have tattoos, we kind of have to leave them out of the water. So I'll show you how attractive it looks. See, there's mine. And there's Jazz. How amazing. So it is the next day now, and I'm not going to film today because we are just going home, which is really sad. But I thought I'd end the vlog and say thank you for watching all my New Zealand vlogs. I had the best time ever, I had the best birthday, and I cannot wait to come back here, and I'll be doing some videos on the best things to do in Queenstown and stuff like that, so look out for that. Bye!